My guy, you want learn C programming for 2025? No wala, no wala, no wala. You sure say you no want just to use ChatGPT, they go like this, oh? Anyways, they with me. Now so then they start. Small low word where you want print like this. Now so semicolon go forget you for road. Your program go come the compile like say in the fear today successful. No wala, no wala. Anyway, might just give you small, quick early tips. Number one thing, no forget your semicolon. No try am. No forget semicolon. C, no they forgive. Because if you do compiler go humble you. So every line must end with semicolon. If you miss one like this, error everywhere. Some of the errors even make you question your destiny. I dey tell you a lie. You get one time, say, I don't forget what I dey code that time. I see about 10 years ago. They find where my semicolon. Come on, my semicolon. Then number two, master print F before it disgrace you for public. You see that print F, hello word where you dey see for screen. So that one where they sweet at first, abi? Na trap, oh. Na better trap. If you know sabi use am well, your output go resemble Abakaliki Wi-Fi. Make they no come find me. Oh. You're the one that say why he print 7.000. We supposed print John come out or James. You never see something. Number three, start with small projects. No go the rush, go the enter like say now you be CEO for NASA. You will just learn for loop now. Next thing you want build operating system. You dey want. My guy rest. Do calculator first. Even if na calculator with they add just two number. Do that one first. Because we go still clap for you. You know easy. Number four, learn pointers. But I go advise you. Put paracetamol for one corner first. Carry like 2 swallow. Because if you see shake gay. You know why they talk am? Because pointers be like your ex. If you don't understand them, Baba, it go hurt you. For example, now see this major call and jaga jaga for screen. Before you know, you go sleep, you go see this thing. So they pursue you enter brush for inside your dream. Voila. The next one, use modern tools. No, they write C like say you they write down for 1988. Baba, this is 2025. Use VS Code. No, during our one time, they use Turbo, C++ or something like that. Use VS Code. Use extensions. Enable syntax alighting. Then make sure say you use Git. Oh. Make sure say you use Git. No go they use Notepad like person waiting inside prison. Then next one, I cannot overemphasize this one. Use Google. Learn how to Google. You know why they emphasize this thing? Because some people go say, instead of Google, why not AI? If you give AI, it will give you the direct answer. The learning experience is being cut off. Now that journey of learning, that process, now they make you sabi things where you supposed to be. Because if you use Google now, for example, it not go give you the answer straight. It go give you plenty place where you fed the waka, you search this one, copy this code, copy that code, before you can see the one way work. You see that whole process. So if they do something to your brain, and you say you go sabi many things. Now why are the advice? Say beginners use Google, leave AI first. Then my final advice, see programming no be beans. But if you decide to learn them, you are not making a mistake. Because Baba, there are no many we really know them. They find them for the world. If you sabi them, you go soft. Financially, you go soft. People will know this thing, they know which how they talk. But if you don't get patience, bro, your Python they there. You speed go meet your Python. Your JavaScript they there. Go start from that one. No talk TypeScript to JavaScript. Later, if you just transition inside TypeScript. Even TikTok coding they there too. I they also teach for TikTok. In fact, presently I'm doing a backend class on TikTok. If you know, say C don't make you cry before, just put that crying TS emoji for inside comment section. We will day together. Oh yeah, bye.